What up, YouTube? We back at the car wash, man. Gonna get the big boy up in the air now. Yeah, them glow willies, y'all. Yeah. Make them come up. Yeah. Yeah. It's coming up, bro. Let's go out here and get out in the dirt, bro. Yeah. How your boy doing? Pause. Yo, what up, YouTube? It's me and Zarek, man. Come on in here with that big boy. He coming up in here, man, ready to rip it up. Now we got the big boys bashing today, yo. That's what's up.
Ready to jump.
Super Rock Ray. Yeah, he about to throw him up in the air. Let's see what he do. Yeah, we know he moves. Hit it. Woo! I had to get off the brake, bro. It's coming up on you. That's nice, though. Oh, yeah, he come up. Yeah, he run. Right here. You over there? Yep. You go, I'll catch you. Go. Oh, I ain't catch you that way. Let me see. Oh, yeah. We both got off of it. Oh, did he save? Save. And I forgot about these things, man. Remember that EXB issue that they have? I should have warmed my batteries up because it'll do that shut-off thing if I do it too soon. Yeah, I gotta warm them up. Pause. We're back, tearing up buckets and stuff, knocking stuff up. Good Lord. Yeah. I'm at 75% power, running it with the punch level up, guys. Feeling good. Okay, heads up. Oh! No! No.
It's the tire.
Did it bust it?
Yeah, the tire busted.
Heck to the no! Pause.
Get it up
Sometimes, man, it happens. First jump, guys. I get up in the air and I land right in front of my boy and smash him. And you see, I'm a heavyweight.
Yeah.
Broke that tire right off, guys.
Damn, that boy is on there.
Bro. See it? Yeah. I don't even know how you're gonna probably gonna have to melt it off since it's broken anyway, or just bust it totally off to get to the lug nut. There you go. Yep. That's what happened, YouTube.
Yep.
So until we get it again, man, it was a short bash for the big boys, man. We had just got set up too.
Yeah.
The Rock Ray is out. Big boy, I don't think he hit nothing, bro. You hit front end on mine. So.
Yeah. You got that metal on there.
Yes, sir. Dang, man. I am sorry about that.
I might get something with it though.
I hear you, bro. This is not good. Yeah. Get it. Come on around that corner.
You got a 24mm wrench?
Yeah, I do. Oh, I think I got it, but it's in the truck. Let me go and get it. 24mm wrench. Pause. Yeah, unfortunate, man. I was ready to get a good rip in with my punch level up on this truck, so we was gonna get a good one in. She's doing all right though. Yeah, it's fast, bro. I can pull up a wheelie. Yeah, they'll come up. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Good run, baby. Come on back to Papa. That punch level up makes a difference, guys. This thing goes where it wants to go. Crazy power. Crazy power. Pause. Yeah, I guess we're gonna pack it up now, you guys. Big boy didn't get a chance to show out like I wanted him to. If you had what? Okay. What'd you have that was running on 6S? What'd you have that's running on 6S?
What?
I thought you said if you had a 6S pack.
Yeah, I could run a hobby.
Okay, got you.
I could run any of them.
All right.
6 pack.
Right.
But the red cat, because the red cat needs Dean.
Right.
So,
Well, man, yeah, the wife, I was lucky to get one in today, so
yeah.
feels all right.
I wasn't intending to bash forever anyway.
Right.
I mean, some of these cars I already had here, I just never even took them out.
Right.
I need to take them to the car wash.
Yes, sir.
That mug is going through all that.
Right. I believe it does. Yeah, it'll tear all that up, yo. We got some more spots to hit, you see, guys. We got a lot more spots to hit. Well, man, we will be back. We will be back. Catch you guys next time on YouTube. Peace out.